Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show protected operating system files in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let me just first start by opening up File Explorer here. So if you want to search for it in the Start menu, or if you have the taskbar icon, feel free to open it up. We're going to go select this PC on the left side. And then we're going to go underneath our local disk where Windows is installed on. Double click on that. And now you also want to go left click on the View tab again, select the options on the right side, select the View tab, and scroll down underneath where it says Hide Protected Operating System Files. So if you want to show this, you want to uncheck this box, select Yes. Now that you're done with that, go ahead and left click on Apply and OK. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you ever wanted to undo it, just go left click on the View tab, select the options on the far right side, selecting the View tab again, and scrolling down, you would just check mark beside the box here to hide protected operating system files, and then select Apply and OK. Also, you could select Restore Defaults as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.